Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds AirPods Pro. So we have two options how to enter to prank mode. The first one, if your AirPods do not connected with another devices, you need to only open the charging case and your earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, and now as you can see it asks me to connect them. Also, we can enter to prank mode manually. To enter prank mode manually, after you open the charging case, you need to tap 2 times at the touch area on the front side. So right here under the LED light, open it 1, 2, this LED light start blinking white, and also I hear beep sound. And that's mean that we enter to prank mode manually. Now you can connect them, so if you have iPhone, you will find this pop-up, you need to click connect, or if you have Android, go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and you will find them at the device list, tap at your earbuds, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!